Do you ever feel like you're always a step behind in understanding how women think? Ever ponder if there's a way to get inside her mind? Imagine having the ability to decode and influence a woman's thoughts to your advantage. It's not just a fantasy. Today, you're about to uncover the most guarded secrets of dark psychological tactics that can give you an extraordinary edge in understanding female psychology. By the end of this video, you'll know the top dark psychological tricks to control any woman's mind, so you're never left in the dark again. Number 10. Create a lingering presence. Ever wondered how to make a woman feel your presence even when you're not around? It might sound unusual, but stay with me. I'm not talking about being clingy. This is about creating a psychological imprint so strong that she can't help but feel attached. This strategy involves conditioning her environment to remind her of you constantly. Leave behind small mementos. Use specific scents she associates with you, and share songs that stick in her mind, all subtly tying back to you. The goal is for her to feel your absence as a tangible void she's desperate to fill. This way she'll work twice as hard for your attention. That, my friend, is not just control, it's psychological dominance. Number 9. Allow her space. Ever heard the saying, "Seduce my mind, and you can have my body"? Many guys misinterpret this, thinking it means showering her with gifts and constant texts. Wrong move, gentlemen. Women fall deeper into the shadows of their imagination than in the glare of plain attention. To truly seduce her mind, you need to master the art of absence. Less is more. Pull back, make her miss you, immerse yourself in your hobbies, take trips, and spend time with friends. Create a life so interesting she wants to be part of it. By giving her space, you create a psychological tension only you can fill. She starts to crave you, not because you're always there, but because she can't bear you being away. That's how you secure the upper hand. Number 8. Use emotional manipulation. Emotional manipulation involves using her feelings as your chessboard. Ever heard of fractionation? It's a psychological technique that dominates her emotional world. Women let emotions guide their decisions. So if you master this game, you're golden. Here's how it works. Swing her between emotional highs and lows. One moment, you're the charming prince. The next, you're distant and elusive. This roller coaster puts her investment in overdrive, creating a deep connection mixed with a fear of loss. It's like setting a hook deep in her mind, and once you're there, you can steer her emotions like a car. She becomes so wrapped up in your world that leaving it feels like breaking free from gravity. Number 7. Employ reverse psychology. Why do women go wild for limited edition designer handbags? Simple. They're elusive. To boost your appeal, tap into that same scarcity. Play hard to get. Start by qualifying and rejecting women more than they expect. Make them feel like you are the prize they can't have. Just like those exclusive handbags. If you become something rare, something hard to obtain, you'll notice a dramatic shift. Women will start chasing and competing for your attention. The next time you're in a social setting, casually mention how selective you are with dates or joke about the high standards your next girlfriend must meet. Watch as they try to qualify themselves to you. When you position yourself as a limited edition, you raise your perceived value and control the dynamics of the chase. Number 6. Deflate her ego. In a world where everyone craves attention, being the one who doesn't give it freely is a power move. Most women are used to being noticed, so take a different approach. Deflate their ego by not giving them the attention they expect. Focus on her friends more than her, or act oblivious to her presence in group settings. Now, don't be aloof. It's about strategic neglect. Imagine you're at a party, spending more time laughing with her friends and barely acknowledging her. Maybe throw a casual compliment towards someone else. It subtly challenges her self-esteem and ignites her desire to win your attention. She'll start seeking validation from you, working harder to catch your eye. This tactic makes her see you as someone whose approval is worth pursuing, giving you control over how hard she tries to get on your radar. Number 5. Embrace confusion tactic. Confusion is a powerful tool when used wisely. This tactic doesn't require direct control, but subtly disrupts her perception, leading to a deep-seated obsession. When you send mixed signals, warm one moment, distant the next, You unsettle her psychological balance. During a conversation, be genuinely engaging, then suddenly switch to being slightly disinterested. Compliment her in a way that leaves her wondering about your intentions. This inconsistency throws her off, making you occupy more of her thoughts. The more she tries to decode your behavior, the more entangled she becomes. This subtle manipulation keeps you planted firmly in her psyche. Number 4, spark desire. A major sin in any relationship is letting her feel she's got you wrapped around her finger. The truth is, desire thrives on uncertainty. Make her worry a little about losing you. Show her that she's not the only one in the game. Let her see others are eyeing the prize too. Don't shy away from flirting a little, but keep things fun and unpredictable. For example, she may go out with one guy who spoils her with luxury dates and another who brings nothing but fun and adventure. Who sticks in her mind? The adventurous one. Every time. He makes her feel part of the story, not just a passive observer. By creating memorable, unpredictable experiences, she becomes hooked, always coming back for more. Number 3, intense eye contact. Master this and you can stir something deep inside her without saying a word. It's about quality, not quantity. Don't be the creep who stares too long. Be the guy who gazes into her soul sparingly, yet intensely. Lock eyes with her, hold the gaze just a moment longer than usual, then look away. Repeat this with timing and grace. This technique builds mystery around you, making her wonder, what's he thinking? It pulls her in, making her want to break down your walls. Remember, your eyes can speak volumes. Make sure they're telling the right story. Number 2, subtle error traps. Think a minor error in your conversation isn't a big deal? Think again. This is about laying a calculated trap. Toss out a small, intentional mistake and see how quickly she corrects you. That's your in. She's now more engaged, more talkative, revealing details she hadn't planned to share. You've just turned her natural urge to correct against her, gaining insight and influence over her perception of you. It's a power move, so use it wisely. Number 1, play the name game. Ever noticed how you snap to attention when someone mentions your name? It's like the world blurs, and you're suddenly the star. That's the power of a name. This tactic is simple, but potent. Use her name, not excessively, but with precision. When you inject her name into conversation, it's a direct shot to her psyche, commanding her undivided attention. Using her name makes her feel seen and important. But there's a twist. When you use her name strategically, it taps into her ego, appealing directly to her sense of self. You know, Emily, I really think you'd excel at this. Suddenly, she's all ears, feeling special and acknowledged. These dark psychological tricks can significantly impact your interactions with women by giving you subtle control and influence. However, remember the ethical side of using such tactics. They're powerful and effective, but they should be used responsibly. If you've made it this far, comment with 100% to confirm you've absorbed the knowledge from this video. For more insights, make sure to subscribe.